So for today's vlog, we're gonna make Ilocos Empanada. And here are the ingredients. First, we need garlic longganisa. These are probably about 4 to 5 pieces. And then we have here bean sprouts. And also we need rice flour, some oil. We have here the papaya, the green papaya. Of course, pepper and salt for the taste and ginisa mix. And also the annatto seeds for the color. So now we're pouring in the annatto seed mixture and water over a pan, and we will let it boil for a few minutes. So we also add in here a few pinch of salt, pepper to taste, and oil. And then we will let this boil for a few minutes. Stir the mixture every now and then and wait till it boils before we add in our rice flour. So after this boils, you turn the heat off and then we add in our rice flour. And of course, we will mix this. So we added our rice flour, and now we're gonna mix it in with our liquid mixture with our annatto seed and water, oil, pepper, salt mixture. This is what we're going to use for the dough part. The next step is we're gonna mix in the flour, the rice flour with the liquid, and it's gonna be like this. And we're supposed to have a dough made out of this. So this is not yet the finished product. We're gonna keep on mixing this, and later on when it's cold enough to handle, we will mix it by hand. So we decided to use a bigger container so that we can mix it well. So at this time, we're gonna mix it by hand to surely mix everything together. The annatto powder or the annatto seeds acted for the color, to have that orange color that we know the Ilocos Empanada is well known for. This is the consistency that we're looking for. So as you can see, it looks more like a dough at this moment, at this point. So we're just gonna let it rest for a few minutes. So we're gonna fry the longganisa. We're gonna pre-cook the longganisa before we make our empanada. So we're looking for a golden brown color. We're just gonna make this a little golden brown and then it's done. So this is the color that we're looking for, and now we're gonna drain the oil so that this is gonna be the meat part of our filling. There you go. Next thing that we do is we put in our green papaya and we mix it with our bean sprouts. By the way, this papaya is already shredded and dried. So we also add a little pinch of salt and ginisa mix for the taste. Not too much because um, the longanisa are already a bit salty. And now we also add in our pepper for the taste. Again, this is our green papaya, our bean sprouts, a pinch of salt, ginisa mix, and our black pepper. Then we just mix this, mix it very well. While we're waiting for the dough to cool, we can have our refreshing butterfly pea iced tea. Sponsored by the Garage Grillers. It's very refreshing and it has no preservatives. Very, very healthy. Okay, so we're gonna assemble the empanada by rolling the dough. It's okay if it's more than what we need. So we don't have a roller pin, so we're using a bottle. You can also use this. You can improvise with what you have. So we're just rolling it thinly, not very thin, just like that. And then we're using also plastic covers so that it's flat, the surface is flat. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, guys, because we're gonna cut it in the end. So that's it for the dough part. And then we're gonna assemble it by putting in our vegetables. There. So as you can see, you are forming a crater, a hole in the middle for the egg and the longanisa. By the way, the egg is optional. If you don't want the egg, then it's fine. But originally, what we have in Ilocos, they have eggs. So we're putting in eggs. Just put that in the middle. Like that. And then we're gonna close it. Flip it over. And this is the cool stuff. So it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna cut that part afterwards. We're gonna cut that part. There you go. You're gonna grab a plate and then go around our empanada to have that shape that we know. The fan shape, right? The fan shape. Half circle shape. So when you're done, you just take off the excess and there you have it, guys. There you have the empanada. Now it's ready for fry. Over here we have heated oil. So we're just gonna fry the empanada. Put it there slowly but surely, and then you're ready to fry. It takes a few minutes. Just wait till the dough is crispy. So now it's ready to flip. We're gonna flip the other side. We're gonna fry the other side. Wow, that's so perfect. When it's done and crispy, remove the excess oil and put it in a strainer like that. There you have our empanada.